Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix character 2.0 producing generic results on OpenArt. So if the character 2.0 on OpenArt is given generic, same looking faces, it's usually because the system isn't getting enough identity, like anchors of your settings are too open-ended. So actually guys, fix the issue. You will need to include your reference image or it is too weak, and that's the most common issue. So the character 2.0 depends heavily on input quality, so you will need to use the front facing face or 3x4 angle max and high resolution, even clear lighting and no filters or heavy makeup distortion. Okay, and also you will need to include the single subjects only. So it's bad to go with prompts like a group of photos or to include a group of photos right there or uploading them, and also the blurry selfies and stylized anime images. It's good to go with clean portrait with visible facial structure. And also guys, you will need to increase the character strength and identity weight. So if OpenArt gives a slider for character 2.0, set the identity strength high and lower the creativity or variation settings. So the low strength equal generic AI face generator mode. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.